Just a few key points in Gathertown. So here I am, and I just wanted to show you CACBT Help Desk is right here. If you press X, it will take you to our conference web page where you can easily find our registrant login, which will be activated. All the links will be there. However, we do encourage you to go into the actual room that the presenter will be speaking out of and be connected that way. X gets you out of there, and if you would like to see the schedule in terms of which speakers are speaking in what rooms, you would just come to this conference schedule here, press X, and it'll tell you the date, the time, and what room you are to go to. So for example, the AGM will be held at 10:30 a.m. in the North Conference Room. So why don't we head on over there? X gets me out of that screen, and the North Conference Room is in here. So I would just go into this room. Once I'm in here, I can either press X and I will be connected into the Zoom link. You might find other delegates in here that you can speak to before entering the Zoom call, but that's how you would do that. Some other features for you to know: the Ease Conference room is on this side. We will have students' awards posted on this board, so be sure to come visit. Our exhibitors will be along here. And then our poster rooms, we have two poster rooms. So this is poster room 2, this is poster room 1. And as soon as you go in, the concept is the same. You go up to a poster, press X, and it will come up. Press X, and it will exit out of that screen. Okay, this is a very quick tutorial. We have a lounge in the middle of those two poster rooms. The student lounge is right here. If you need a quick tutorial on how to work Gathertown, you come here and press X. All these other offices or conference rooms that you see is just a private space for you to speak with any delegates that you wish to in a more private fashion, because you will note that as we have more people in here, as you walk by, their videos and their audio will pop up. So that might be a little distracting. So if you want that private space, you can go into any of these shaded areas along the sides. And this is our West Conference Room as well. So we only have 3 conference rooms for you to really go towards. And then if we make our way down here, we have more private spaces where we can go with our friends or colleagues. And if you've had a long day at the conference and wish to relax, you can always keep going all the way down to the beach. Okay, so hope this has helped. Enjoy the conference. And if you're having any issues whatsoever, we encourage you to go to the help desk right here, CACBT Help Desk, and someone will be there to help you. Thank you.